Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Just going out for a little ride on my lunch break today and trying out a couple different camera angles. I have a GoPro mounted up here. Of course, this is the Sena 10C EVO. Want to see how good they do and how stable they are. Also got the GPS going here. This is the Magellan TRX7CS Pro. I just got it set right now on the 4-up display here of the gauges, not actually the map right now. It's actually a nice day. I think the temperature's like 72 right now, so super nice. Can't beat a day like this. Tomorrow's rain, you can see probably up there. If I show from this camera, you can see the rain clouds up there, but I'm thinking it's not going to rain today. At least I hope not, because my wife's got the Gladiator today and the doors is off of it. We don't have the top off, so we can't just fold it down if it started raining, but we still have the doors off. But we could use some rain. Creeks are pretty low, like this one here. So no news yet on the CRF300L. The last I heard was over a week ago, and the dealer in Springfield, Missouri, said that they were supposed to ship from, he thinks, California from the port to Missouri, and which means they would be here this week. But this is only Tuesday, so maybe he'll contact me pretty soon and let me know. Others say that it's going to be in a lot later. Some people say May, some people say June. So hopefully it's not that long of a wait. I do know that in Missouri, there at Springfield, they're only getting 2 of the 300Ls right now. There's more coming later, but the first batch is just going to be 2, and as far as I know, they're just the standard CRF250Ls, not rallies. So that may be the deal. Maybe the people that's wanting rallies, the first ones is going to be a little bit later. That may be what it is. The cows are having lots of calves this time of year. They're popping them out like crazy. So on 30-minute lunch break, ain't got time to go on a very big ride. Just a little bit of a short ride, but I didn't want to sit around there. So I thought, what the heck? Get out, make a short video, say hi to everybody, and hopefully I get around to making some more soon. But part of the problem was, or has been, that I've been working on the house so much. Every time I get a chance, they ain't had time to really make videos. I want to do another video of a couple of us riding together, like me and Harry. Hopefully we can do that pretty soon. I haven't even had a chance to wash my bike. It's actually pretty dirty right now. Let's see, we'll go take a left right here, I think. So we'll see how this camera angle works. I've not done one using the cameras in this way before, so we'll see how it works. If it wasn't so windy today, it'd be a good day to do some drone, but the wind's actually blowing pretty good. So just wanted to update you guys on the CRF300L, that hopefully got lots of people asking questions about certain things on it. Well, I don't know all the answers yet till I get one. So when it comes in, I will be pouring in the videos on the new 300L, and we'll get some answers to what is what. I've seen lots of videos online, but the ones that's in Thailand, you really can't understand what they're saying anyway, and I don't think they're talking a whole bunch about specs on it. So I want to do some videos showing the differences between the CRF250L and the CRF300L. I want to do some the physical differences, and I also want to do some differences in if I can tell any difference in how the power is versus the suspension, and the seating, how it sits, how it rides, the comfort level, ergonomics, and we'll see if there's any difference. Hopefully there is. Oh, just short ride and I'm almost back to work, so thank you all for watching the channel. Please click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.